Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to make KFC chicken fry, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. So I marinated my chicken yesterday. If you want to know how to marinate your chicken, just leave a comment on the comment section and then I'm going to do it for you. And if you have done it before, so let's go straight to the video. For our ingredients, you're gonna need salt, you're gonna need paprika powder, you're gonna need chicken royco, and then you need turmeric powder, and then you're gonna need quarter cup of corn flour, and then 1 cup of wheat flour. So cooking this thing is so simple. Just going to take everything and then mix it with the flour, and then that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe and to like and to share and to comment.